Hello and welcome to my new series from our Linux Bash scripting. The first thing we're going to start off with is just writing a simple hello world so that you can get familiar with the Bash scripting language and just Linux command line and using Vim too. Here we go, let's begin. I'm just going to show you what echo does in Linux. It's basically a print statement that allows you to print a string out to the screen. Well, there you go. Now, when you want to use a script, you can use any type of editor you want to use. If it's Nano, Vim, I'm just going to choose to use Vim or Vi. You'll start to see me use this a lot in the rest of our videos to come. You always want to start off with the hash and exclamation, then bash, so you can tell the computer system what type of interpreter you're using. Right now we're using bash, so that's what we're using. And that's the language. It's just like the language that you use in communicating. This is how we're communicating with the computer right now. I just want to say hello world. When you're dealing with Linux, you want to make sure that your scripts are executable, especially if you're going to be using cron jobs to automate them and make sure that they're running correctly. So if I do an ls on this directory, I see the Anaconda file and I see the hello script that we have. Because it's white, I know that it's not executable. There's multiple things you can do. You can do chmod plus x. And make it executable, or you can do it via the numbers, basically, which is read, write, and execute. Read is a 4, 2 is write, and 1 is execute. So you can have combinations, varying combinations of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, depending on what you're actually trying to do. But we're just going to keep it simple for this one and just do a change mod plus x, hello sh. And now if we do ls, the color is green. And you can see that it's executable. But if we didn't make it executable, it's still fine. We would just have to run bash and then the script, hello sh. Or we could do, now that it's executable, we can just do dot / hello.sh. we still get hello world. There you go. If you want to modify it or add an additional statement, it would be pretty simple. We just up vi again, and I for edit or insert when you're in Vim, and you can add an additional statement. You can do empty for a space, additional line, or you can say the end. So here, and still, let's go back. Hello world. It still prints out hello world. Then we have a space, the end. All right, thanks for tuning in. Please comment and subscribe.